Will the car make it? $8:33.
Oh my god, I didn't know it was 8:05.
Haven't even had any breakfast yet. Alright, just about aboard the plane. Whoa! Shit. That is bloody slippery. I almost went then.
There is a space under the seat and puts all your bags in the overhead lockers.
£3.50 for a little bottle of water.
Isn't that lovely?
It was a bit of a bumpy ride in. And just like that, we are in Barcelona, or should I say, Barcelona.
What is that?
Do you not know how they pronounce Barcelona?
No.
We are just going to get to the car rental and get on the road because we have got a 3-hour drive ahead
Should
of
I
us.
go right here? Oh.
Never crossing.
Thank you.
All right, there's the whip. Hiya, English? He's not letting me out. Thank you. Jesus bloody Christ! Look at the size of this Estrella
That's so...
factory. That is full of beer in there.
Is it?
And after today, I bloody need a good tank of that stuff.
Yummy! Got the goods.
Finally got some food. What have we got?
Breadsticks. Salami.
Salami from a petrol station. Lovely.
Baby bells.
Classic.
Amstels.
Needed.
I got a Twix.
Lemon Amstel.
That's so good.
Try that.
Actual slave.
Petrol station, salami,
It's okay.
with a baby bell
It's a great success.
and a cracker.
What's pastrami?
I have no idea.
Is that deer? Anyone?
We haven't got a cooker in the hotel, so I think tonight we are just gonna rough it and make a baguette of some sort. We got more ham, more chorizo, and a couple of beers. These, if you don't know, get to know. But I did just get a little bit worried because I saw that one first, and that one says 0%. But these ones are banging. Ooh.
Oh.
We thought we were ringing for help. We're not used to these sort of systems in England.
Is that me? Is that me?
Hookers. Should we get some whiskey?
Oh my actual god. You would die. Oh my god, look at the cake.
Oh my god, look at the cake aisle.
Oh, it's a Mackey's. I would actually defo scran it. Andorra. What's the point of that if you don't have to kind of speak, don't do anything?
And there we are. We are in Alright, good morning. We got here pretty late last night, so to be honest with you, once we got to the room, we literally just both passed out. Got one of those weird doors that goes through to the next room, so hopefully that stays locked. We've got the skis this morning, so we're all sorted. The views are pretty nice as well out here. Got a little waterfall just up there, and the ski lift is just there. There's not much snow around this bottom bit, but hopefully at the top there is a little bit more, because obviously
That's so sweet.
there's quite a lot of grass and we've come skiing. But over the next few days it is looking like there is going to be a big dump.
I'm scared. Look at hiker.
I've lost her already, she bloody left me behind.
This is the worst thing that could happen.
Rushed ahead, and now she's on the lift on her own. Alright, first run. Woohoo.
Oh my god, it's snowing. I didn't have 2 pints of me right now, I'd be unbelievably Baltic.
The weather's definitely changed. It is freezing.
Grey, misty clouds are coming in over Andorra.
Oh, she won't out. You alright, darling? Oh my god. Come on, spaghetti legs. Right, we are done for the day. One final slope. Down that way, all the way, back to the hotel.
I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah, you can. Just fucking send it.
I'm still gonna send it.
Whoa! There she goes! And we're back to where we started. Day 2. Good morning. Got the old on. We are just getting ready and we're going to be heading to another resort. It's Frank's birthday today, so our plan is to ski and probably drink a lot of alcohol, which will be fun. Remember, kids, stay hydrated.
Half. Stop.
That's more. That's
Jordan.
not half. That's not half.
We can't drink all. No, we need to mix it.
I reckon more. Backup hydration.
Birthday girly. 25.
25, halfway to 50. All right, loading up the car and we're about to head off to the other resort. All right. This freaking car just beeps at you. I haven't even done anything. And just like that, we're here.
How many days is too many days?
Literally just arrived. I knew I forgot something. I forgot my bloody helmet. Well, that is an absolute ball ache. It's only half an hour away, but all the rental places only rent helmets and no goggles. Oh. Ow. Got the helmet.
For a helmet.
For a helmet. After an hour detour, but we are back and ready. There's definitely not much visibility this high up.
Oh my god. Am I going to get down?
We'll find our way. It's actually snowing quite heavy now. Time for a shot of Jaeger to warm up. Woo! It's an absolute blizzard up here. Happy birthday to... In the middle of the fog and I can't see nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's a sign of a man that has fallen over a few times. A frothy beer. Oh. It's funny, we got stuck on a little flat section and then Frank was just struggling and I saw this little button left. So I went down to it and then I'm just nice and easy, chilling my way back up to Frank.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Yours looks really nice.
Whoops. Last run of the day. One more bomb it down and then I'm done. I'm absolutely knackered. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Cheers.
It's a bit fat.
Absolutely fine.
Just what you want to know, Jordan's an animal sometimes. He gets in these weird animal-like states.
She's chatting shit. Get it down, you mate.
Did you put any egg?
You're not sipping a tea. Look at that. Look at. Would you look at the bloody views on that? We are going to go down for some drinks for Frank's birthday. Can you see that? Got the knee brace on underneath the leggings.
Oh, but it's so busy we can't actually move.
You know, it's packed in here. It is too busy to vlog. Poor attempt. Time to go home. Good night. See you later. Oh, my head hurts. We have ventured out the house and we have just come across this pretty sick waterfall. Frank's gone missing. And there she is. I didn't even realise you could go up that bit. We have a slight issue. My phone for some reason isn't working and we can't get the maps up to get home. So if you don't hear from me or Frank in the next day or two, then
yeah, because my phone's dead.
Send a search party because I have no idea where I'm going. We're playing the game of can you spot something that we've passed?
I love that game.
And we've spotted a few things, so we're on the right road, I think, hopefully. Just trying to find a bloody road sign to Arinsal, but doesn't seem to be any. There's a sign for Spain, so we're lost.
How'd you get back on Spain?
And just like that, we are in the capital city, Andorra la Vella. Do not cross the red line. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. How did you know that?
Oh, there's always one. Can't park there, sir. Well, that clearly worked very well, didn't it?
Zara. Another Zara.
Frank's addicted to Zara. There's so many of these like defence shops everywhere. Just with massive knives and axes. All the shanks.
Isn't that like actual dream? I'd wear that every single day. I would live in this. If I was you, I'd get this.
High heels on my tippies.
Just take the lid off.
Yeah, just pour the whole lot on. Bolognese, and they, for some reason, give you a poppadom with it. Bit random. Taste test.
In doubt, palm it out.
Oh yeah, that's better. There is looking like there is some heavy snow coming in. It is absolutely dumping it down with snow. Will the car make it? That is the question. 11 minutes left. We are a little bit stuck, and we were hoping that this snowplow was going to clear it, but it doesn't look like it. We've abandoned mission. We're heading back down. It is too much snow on the roads, so we're going to go back to the resort near the hotel, following the snowplow. it. Oh my god. Right, plan of action. We have parked the car and there is a shuttle bus that goes up. Against all odds, we have made it up the mountain.
Snow!
Last day, and it is absolutely dumped it down. Well, that's not the way we wanted to finish. Just come out to do the last couple runs and someone has nicked my skis.
1 hour later.
We have an update. Someone has handed in my skis. We have got the skis. Well, at least that saves me some dosh. Bloody lovely sunshine down here. We are in Grandvalira and we're just about to go snowmobiling for the very first time. Buzzing! You excited?
Very excited. I've got barbecue crisp burst.
Oh, and you're snud.
Nice. Yeah. Just really don't want to fall off.
Visors down. Woohoo! Bumpy, bumpy! They're pretty stable though.
They're freaking not.
But then when you go around corners, you kind of do feel like you're going to fall off
I've
sometimes.
nearly fallen off 100 times. I've been suffering back here.
Oh my god, he almost went. Oh my god. Wipe out. We're back up and riding. These things must break all the time, considering that we fell off it and it struggled to start. The snow must be so deep there. Oh. This is bloody hilarious. It's actually quite hard riding there, to be fair.
Yeah, I got absolutely thrown around. Like a jet ski, but 10 times.
It's like a jet ski, but I think
10 times rougher.
Yeah, I think jet skis are more stable, to be fair. That was good fun. First time on a snowmobile, and we fell off one, so that was great. I mean, we weren't the only ones that fell off either. Someone else in front of us fell off, but we survived. Gonna be coming down the mountain when he comes. Whole road exit. Everyone fights for the place. Sunny Barcelona, which makes a bit of a change from this morning on the snowmobiles. Literally going from mountain ranges to palm trees, all in the space of 2 hours. We are back at the airport, ready to go home. Have you had fun?
So much fun. Can't wait to go skiing again.
From snow to sun in 2 hours. Goodbye, and we will catch you in the next video. Let's go.